Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to get rid of the Get Office app in Windows 10. Now this is a very annoying feature that is included within Windows 10. So even if you already have Office installed, you might still be getting a pop-up telling you to get Office and you might be able to get a discount or something like that. This tutorial will help show you guys how to get rid of that advertisement. So very simple. We're going to head over to our start menu. And we're going to type in Get Office. We see that it'll be listed as a trusted Windows Store app. So what we want to do is right click on it, and then we want to left click on uninstall. And we'll get a little notification saying this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Left click on uninstall. Keep in mind that this will not uninstall Microsoft Office. This will just get rid of that application, so you won't be getting any more nag alerts. So we see that Get Office is currently being uninstalled up here. We get a little notification for that. Hello everyone, I'm back. So we can see that the Get Office app has uninstalled, and now we're actually given an option to install this app, which I think is actually kind of funny. And at this point, you're good to go. Restart the computer, do whatever you want, but you should not be getting any more Get Office alerts. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.